right? But the English, they would come over to set up large-scale colonies.
Here at Hilton Head Island High School, we offer the International Baccalaureate Diploma program to students in grades 11 and 12. It is our most rigorous academic offering, and we are proud to have it here. It takes 2 years to complete. Students take 6 or 7 courses, and at the end, they can earn an international diploma.
The benefits of the IB program are the fact that the students can leave with a specialized diploma that they can take to college with them, and some of those qualities that they're going to need in college, such as time management, homework assignments, lecture-style classes, they've already kind of had that due to the classes that they've taken here at Hilton Head High with the IB program.
And red and black are usually colors associated with a more negative connotation.
The IBDP really is for many types of students. It's for students who are interested in learning with a global perspective. We have lots of kids join the cohort who have interest in internationalism, and that's fantastic.
The IB classes are a little bit different than the mainstream classes, I think simply because of the course load. You are going to be required to do a lot more reading and writing in the IB classes as opposed to maybe an honors level course. But again, I think that really benefits them moving forward because all of a sudden you get to college and you're not just hit with this massive course load of, wow, I really got to read a lot, I've got to write a lot, because you've already done it here and you have a good plan of how you can attack it then.
It is definitely more rigorous and does require students to kind of make the commitment to their work, to be internally motivated, as well as to kind of expect a more rigorous but fulfilling experience.
They're going to be better writers, better communicators. IB incorporates a lot of assessments that allow students to speak, so I think that public speaking is something that students fear, but I think that because of the IB program, they're going to come out a lot stronger in that field and be able to, have meaningful conversations with people and be able to talk about their academic and their successes moving forward.
They can also earn college credit for courses completed successfully, which helps with tuition bills for university.
Going through the entire IB program really pushes a student to explore subjects that maybe they would shy away from or they might not experience at all.
Students have the opportunity to take classes across the curriculum, from study of English to the study of world languages, to courses in individuals and societies, which is similar to social studies, to natural science courses, math courses, and visual and performing arts classes.
It does require students to be self-motivated and self-guided, to develop the ability to advocate for themselves.
I really like how we prepare our students for the writing portion of it when they get to college. I think we do a really nice job of giving them a good plan and a way for them to organize their thoughts. I've heard a lot back from students in the past of being able to write some really good, clear, concise essays, and when they get to college, just because of what they've done in the IB program.
Some of the great successes I've seen students on social media who have taken what they've learned in their IB classes and applied it to college, they're proud, and they'll come back and they'll say, because of this class, I was able to do really well. Or sometimes they even discuss how they're further ahead than other people in their college classes because they have taken an IB class.
Very exciting to see the students have those aha moments, to develop their empathy, to have questions about how maybe they can make things better in their own world, or going beyond their closed circle to the broader context of our experience.
One of the main benefits of the program that not everyone is aware of is that it really gives students a sense of purpose for their last 2 years of high school. They are part of a community of learners who have similar goals, and it really works well for them to work together.
I think that the whole purpose of high school is to try new things. And for students who are considering the IB diploma program, they should try it before they discount it, and to stretch themselves outside of their comfort zone, and to really expand their horizons and go for a little growth.
I think it's a way to challenge students, and if students are academically inclined, which we have a lot of students that are, I think they should be challenged. I think they would thrive on that challenge, and it really helps them to advance their education.